Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your video autoplay in a 16:9 presentation and export it as an MP4. Let's start by creating a fresh presentation. On the main screen, click Create a Design and choose Presentation with the 16:9 aspect ratio. This widescreen format is ideal for most displays and keeps your video looking great without awkward black bars or cropping. Using this standard aspect ratio ensures that your video will look professional, whether it's on a laptop, desktop, or even a large screen during a presentation. Once your blank slide opens, you're ready to bring in your footage. On the left sidebar, go to Uploads, then click Upload Files. Select the video from your computer and give it a moment to process. When it appears in your Uploads panel, simply click the video and it will land on your slide. If it doesn't perfectly fit, you can drag the corners to resize or drag to reposition it, so it sits exactly where you want. The goal is to have the video clearly visible and ready to play within the slide. For a polished look, try to center your video and leave a small margin around the edges to prevent important content from being cut off. Now click directly on the video on your canvas to select it. You'll notice a toolbar appear above your design. This only shows when the video is actively selected. If you click off the video and the toolbar disappears, just click back on the video to bring it up again. This toolbar is where you'll access playback settings, which are crucial for creating a smooth, professional experience for your audience. With the video still selected, look at the top toolbar and click Playback. This is where playback-related controls live for media on your slide. Here, you can set your video to autoplay, loop, or adjust other settings depending on how you want it to appear during your presentation. To see your autoplay in action, head to the top right of the editor and click Preview, which sits beside the Share button. In the Preview window, your video will start playing automatically, confirming that autoplay is working. Keep in mind, autoplay often won't trigger inside the editing canvas itself. It's designed to kick in during a presentation or preview, so using the preview is the best way to test it before sharing or presenting. This is especially important if you plan to upload your MP4 to YouTube or other platforms, as it ensures the final video plays exactly as intended for your viewers. When everything looks good, it's time to save your presentation as a video file. Click Share, then Download. From the file type options, choose MP4 video. This format preserves your motion and timing, making it perfect for playback on different devices or platforms. For YouTube, MP4 is ideal because it balances quality and file size while maintaining smooth playback. Finally, click Download and let the export process finish. Larger videos may take a bit longer, so be patient and avoid closing the window while it processes. That's it. You've created a 16:9 presentation, added your video, confirmed autoplay and preview, and exported the final MP4 ready to share, present, or upload wherever you need it. Before uploading, check your video resolution and bitrate to ensure it meets YouTube's recommended standards, 1080p or higher, H.264 codec, MP4 format. You can also add captions, titles, or lower thirds during your presentation design to make your video more engaging for viewers. And if your presentation includes multiple slides with videos, consider using smooth transitions to create a professional, polished final product. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Make sure to click the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic in the next video, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping you create amazing content.